Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm reviewing Outre the Daily Wig Samara in the color number 1. We're just going to jump right in, take her right on out. As usual, she has 2 combs in the front and also adjustable straps and a comb in the back. That is the party space, which they got me fucked up. I like the texture of it. It's real soft. That's what the party space looks like on your head. It looks real wiggy, and I'm like, what the hell? I'm like, yeah, I'm definitely going to pluck this so I go off camera. Once I'm done, I put a little bit of powder to conceal it. Well, I used foundation this time. And then I just go ahead and smudge it in. And that's what it looks like. So we're just going to go ahead and jump right in. Happy Halloween. I am reviewing a daily wig from Outre, which I never had an Outre unit before. That's why it's on Slept on Saturday. I want to see if I've been sleeping on Outre. I do have the unit Samara in the color number 1. My girl Nizzy had Ophelia or Cecilia. I'll insert a clip. I was like, oh, okay, these look kind of nice. And then I seen someone else do a different one. I can't remember who. And I was like, all right, well, I'm going to get me one. And I seen that there were so many of them to choose from. So the stock card gives you a little bit more information, and it shows you different styles. 350 to 400 degrees. I was not feeling it. As soon as I popped it on my head, I was like, what the hell? I know today is Halloween, but I don't really want to wear a Halloween wig. Y'all know I had my camera turned so that y'all basically see me. It's not in selfie mode, so I don't even see what I look like right now. I did not lay it down because this comes with no lace, which y'all know I hate because I like to do my edges. And I just wanted to play with it to see if I wanted to the side or to the middle. I don't know if I want to put baby hairs in it. It didn't feel that bad, honestly. I'm surprised. I thought it was going to feel like a real synthetic-y. I have it in natural light plus my ring light because my son keeps playing peekaboo. It's not tangling. I got one shade, that's it. So I just want to finger comb one side. So this is it. Finger comb. And this is it. And that finger comb. I'm going trick or treating with my kids, so I tried to do my face a little bit to make the look a little better. We're just gonna move to my bathroom. So I'm gonna push the hair to the front. Now, I'll let y'all know right now. I know this bottom is gonna tangle. It's snagging. See if y'all can tell the difference from it being brushed out and then that being brushed out. Lord, I hope I don't burn. Okay, good. That hump is just killing me. Guys, I'm still not really feeling it. Yeah, I think I like it better this way. I'm not feeling it the other way. It goes kind of like my little devil look. Oh, okay. Yeah, I like it better like this. This is giving me my girl Desiree tease. Because she be having her little nice ass hanging curls. Now, I love me a middle part. I love me a middle part. But I'm not feeling this in the middle part on me. My shirt says, hell was boring. I didn't want to get dressed up since I was already a schoolgirl. So I figured, be a devil. Yeah, this is calling to me more. Yeah, we're going to keep it like this. Oh, I'm feeling this whole little look. This whole little look right now, y'all. This is probably like medium head friendly because I have a small head and it's still not really secure on my head and I haven't tightened all the way. So you may, if you have a big head, this may can fit you. I don't know how long ago this came out, but I love it shifted to the side. And you can't even, y'all know the look I just did? Okay, we're gonna leave it alone. Let's try the middle one more time. Maybe I'll fill the middle whenever I put baby hairs in it. These little swoop bangs kind of remind me of Sensational's Anna. Why is it one side don't never want to act right? This look cute like this, but I'm telling you that side is calling me. That side is calling me. I'm gonna ask my daughter. Do you like it better in the middle?
I like it better like that.
Told you. See, even my daughter likes it better like this. I put baby ears? Nah. Samara?
Yeah. Go, mommy.
Leave it like this?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm just gonna lay it down so it don't slide in the down well. Thank you. Alright, so there you have it.
She just wanna go back to the I am not slow. Daughter, baby, we don't got that long. Listen, this not my city show, but I treat it like my city show. 20, I hit it slow. Love by the morning, girl, I gotta go.
I'm back. She is laid. Rag and alcohol just to wipe that side. This is tempting me to put baby hairs, y'all. Oh, it's tempting me so bad. Why you brush on the bottom and then work your way up, especially with synthetic or curly hair. It's Halloween around here, so I want to hear the kids. This is about 18 inches, 20 inches on me. I'm just trying to even it out since I shifted it to the side so that it doesn't look too bad. I'm trying to get this down. Bang. Okay. So, I'm gonna turn my camera around so y'all could see. This is the look. I'm trying to not show y'all my tatas. This is not the skirt I'm gonna wear. I have to find my actual skirt, but it'll do. I'm really feeling it, y'all. I'm loving this. I'm giving Miss, Satan's whole wife out here, okay? Don't take that literally because I'm a whole child of God, okay? Ooh, yes, come through. Okay, Samara. Okay. We're gonna go in my room for final thoughts. Alright guys, before we go back to my room, I just wanted to show you a close-up of the unit, as far as like the hairline and the curl pattern. Even though the parting is a little too short for me, I still like it. I like that it's a brown color. I could have concealed the line of demarcation a little bit better, but it's good. I would advise buying this unit. It is a must. I like it. Thoughts on Samara. The only cons that I have is like it's a little humpy, but that's not too hard to get rid of. I wish that they would have gave us some lace, but I made the best I can do with it. I wouldn't consider this a daily wig. She's already starting to tangle and frizz a little bit towards the ends. It's not like human soft, but it's still, it has a nice little texture to it. There was a con I'm forgetting, and I hope I put it in the voiceover. What was it? It was the main only con. If you do get this unit, I would suggest you laying it down even though it ain't got no lace, especially if you have a small head like me, because I still have plenty of room. So it is big head friendly or like medium head friendly. I really like it, especially towards the side. Maybe I'll grow into the middle Probably if I put some baby hairs or something in it, because I don't know, I'm just not feeling it. Hopefully you like it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I am almost at 200 subscribers. Thank y'all very much. I love you guys. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, Let's Begin _ so y'all can see how I style my hair and new posts and updates. Until next time,